Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 4, Safety and First Aid. We have already discussed about fracture, nose bleeding and what is first aid. In this video, we will be discussing about sprain, chemical burn and heat stroke. So without wasting time, let us start the video. First of all, we will be discussing about sprain. Sprain. A sprain is a twist in a joint like the ankle or the twist or the wrist. It often resulting in swelling and discomfort. It is a little bit similar to fracture, but in that case what happens? We get a severe injury. If there is a case of sprain, then what we just need to do not move the sprained joint. Wherever there is a pain, no need to move it. Apply the ice pack on the sprained area to reduce the swelling. Tie an elastic bandage or crepe bandage around the joint to keep it from moving. So we are not supposed to move it. If the pain and swelling persist, we need to visit a doctor. We can also apply a relieving ointment, move, or there are different kinds of ointment available in the market on the affected area. Here we shall see that a boy, when he is walking through it, then he got a little sprain on his leg. In such a condition, his leg get twisted and such a condition is known as sprain or a bone injury. In this situation, what we need to do is we need to give the bone the proper support so that there should be no pain. Apply an ice pack on the sprained area to reduce the swelling. Apply a pain relieving ointment like move on the affected area. Tie an elastic bandage or crepe bandage around the joint to keep it from moving. And there is RICE that is helpful to reduce the pain. First of all, rest the injured part of the body. I. Apply ice or cold water on the injured part. C. Wear an elastic bandage, help to reduce swelling. And E. Keep the injured part elevated. So these are the way we can get a little bit relief from the sprain. But if the sprain is more and if the pain is more still there, then we need to visit the doctor. Now we will discuss about burns. Chemical burn. Chemicals like acid can burn the skin. But it's not like that skin can burn only by chemicals. There are different ways by which our skin can burn. Here you can see girl, she was boiling milk, then by mistake the milk fall on her hand. In such a case, she burnt her skin. There are 3 types of burns: first degree burn, second degree burn and third degree burn. In the first degree burn or any kind of burn can cause due to fire, electric wires or by the chemicals. All the burns need to be treated to reduce the heat of the burnt area and reduce the damage of the area. In the case of first degree burn, we need to remove the cloth from the affected area and run cool water over it. उसके ऊपर ठंडे पानी से उसके ऊपर चलाएंगे. But we will not use butter and oil. We can use burning gel so that it will give a relief. In the case of major burns, अगर ज़्यादा burn हो, then we just need to go to the doctor. In such a case, doctor will take the important steps. Medical help is very necessary in such a case if the case is very serious or in the third degree burn. Follow the instructions for the first degree burn. These are the steps we need to follow if there is first degree burn. we need to keep the hands elevated, and we must keep the burnt area in proper posture. We need to run cool water over it, and we also need to run the cold water on his hand for the all type of burns to reduce heat in the affected area. We must do not keep the affected area under ice water. Do not rub the burnt area with the ice. We must not apply oil or butter on it. We must remove the cloths from the area so that there will be no burning signs, or when the clothes get removed from the area, then what happens with that cloth, the skin can also come. तो हम लोगों को क्या करना है, उस एरिया से कपड़े को हटाने का कोशिश नहीं करना है, क्योंकि उससे क्या हो सकता है, ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. So these were the things, or the first aid we should take care, or we should do in the case of burnt caused due to any reason, due to chemical, due to electricity, or due to fire. Heat stroke is basically very common in summers. It occurs due to excessive loss of water from the body in the form of sweat. In a case person gets a heat stroke, what are the things we must do? The first thing we are supposed to do is make him lie down in a cool place. Second thing, apply a cold sponge on the person's body, head. Third, give the victim oral rehydration solution to prevent dehydration. So these are the 3 things we need to do if a person is suffering from heat stroke. So I hope children, the concept of chemical burn, sprain and heat stroke would be clear to you all. Thank you children.